So then let's say you've got the offer, right? And you maybe even have competing offers because you've listened to all the things that I scream about online and you know that it's a numbers game and you've got 3 organizations offering you different stuff, right? But it's never necessarily so straightforward. It's not always only about the money or whatnot. It's like also about a lot of other factors. So I found that I was helping a lot of clients through complex decision making, and like your usual straight up and down pro con sheet just wasn't cutting it. So that's why I made this pro con decision making chart. It's weighted so that you can make more nuanced decisions that are better for you and your career. In this decision making chart, here's what you're going to do. You're going to fill in your various options over here. So option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Don't forget to include the opposite of a particular option. So option 1 might be I take job A. Option 2 would then be I don't take job A. It's subtle, but it actually is different than, just doing I take job A, I take job B. So fill it in, and you can add more rows at the bottom if you need to. But right now it just has 4 options. You would then brain dump, list out all the pros and all the cons that you can in these 2 columns. Again, you can insert a row below, like that. It's very easy if you need to add more pros or cons. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back through and you're going to think about each pro and you're going to weight it. Okay, so the note here is it's on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being of the utmost importance to you. And you can have more than 1 pro or more than 1 con that are the same, like that are also 5 or something like that. So you're going to select it from the drop down like that, and then this will help you sort of see like, oh, the pros are all things that I'm really like are really important to me, and then the cons are not. So then it sort of just helps you see, right? Even if there may be a lot of cons, but they're all 1, it's going to make you think about it differently than if you just had a super long list of cons and only like 3 pros, right? So that's the point of this particular resource, this tool. Oh, and in case you didn't notice, in the dark purple lines, it was tallying up the numbers. So you don't even have to do the math. You can kind of just see like, oh, pros are 10 importance value to me, and cons is only coming out to be 2, or like if we had done a bunch, it might be 5 or something, right? So, you don't have to decide purely based on these numbers because that's also not very nuanced, but it gives you another way to look at your situation. So that's about it. I've talked a lot at you, so hopefully this helped you understand how to navigate these 3 tools in the bundle, both the step-by-step networking guide, the empowered negotiation template, and the weighted pro-con decision-making chart. If you need more specific guidance, feel free. You can always book a power session with me, or book a consult for longer-term coaching options. Shoot me an email if you're confused about anything, and we'll get you the support that you need. So thanks for hanging with me and getting this bundle. I'm so excited for how it's going to transform your career. Let me know. I love updates. Okay, bye.